Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. Don't forget to subscribe down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this New Year's Eve look. I was actually wondering if you guys have any New Year's resolutions, leave them down below. I'm curious. But yeah, if you guys want to see how to get this look, make sure you keep on watching. Mood. So I'm going to be going into the Tarte Toasted palette, and I'm going to use this shade called Cozy as my transition shade. You guys remember somebody was talking smack in the last video? Somebody's talking smack again. I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here called Fireside. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Alright, so this is as similar as these creases are gonna get. I'm gonna go into the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, and I'm gonna use this silver shade right here called Drippin' in Diamonds. Drippin' Diamonds. So this is gonna be going all over the lid. So I primed my lids with the NYX glitter primer, and I'm gonna go into the NYX crystal glitter, and this is like a silver. It's like holographic. It's so pretty. Now for foundation, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300. To conceal, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. So I set my face and I lined my waterline off camera. Now I'm gonna go into a black shade and I'm gonna line underneath that waterline liner, and I'm gonna bring it about right here towards the middle. Now going back to that chocolate gold palette, I'm gonna smudge this purple shade on my lower lash line. This is called Live in Lavish. We're gonna contour with the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. I'm gonna bronze with my NYX Medium Matte Bronzer. And I'm gonna go into my Tarte Party Blush. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna go into the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. I'm gonna go over that with the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher in the shade Spotlight Glitz. This never ceases to amaze me. Look at that. For lips, I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Kristen lip gloss. So that is it for this New Year's Eve makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications so they're notified every time that I upload. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I hope you all have a happy new year.